Welcome to this tutorial on how to read Best Places Nightlife, a comprehensive guide to understanding the nightlife scene in various cities across the United States. Best Places is a website that provides detailed information on cities, including their nightlife, to help people make informed decisions when choosing a place to live or visit. To start, navigate to the Best Places website and select the city you are interested in. Once you have selected a city, click on the Nightlife tab to access the nightlife information. The Nightlife section is divided into several categories, including an overview, statistics, and reviews. The overview section provides a general description of the city's nightlife, including the types of venues available, such as bars, clubs, and lounges. It also gives an idea of the city's nightlife atmosphere, including whether it is lively, laid back, or a mix of both. The statistics section provides more detailed information on the city's nightlife, including the number of bars, clubs, and lounges per capita. It also includes information on the average cost of a drink, the average cover charge, and the average rating of nightlife venues in the city. The reviews section allows you to read feedback from people who have experienced the city's nightlife firsthand. You can filter reviews by rating, date, and category to get a more accurate picture of the city's nightlife. Look for reviews that provide specific details about the venues, such as the music, crowd, and service. When reading reviews, pay attention to the overall rating and the number of reviews. A high overall rating and a large number of reviews indicate that the nightlife in the city is well regarded by many people. Also, look for reviews from people with similar interests and preferences to get a more relevant picture of the city's nightlife. In addition to reading reviews, you can also use the Best Places nightlife map to get a visual representation of the city's nightlife scene. The map shows the location of various nightlife venues, including bars, clubs, and lounges, and allows you to filter by category and rating. By following these steps and using the resources available on Best Places, you can get a comprehensive understanding of a city's nightlife and make informed decisions when choosing a place to live or visit. Remember to always read reviews critically and consider multiple sources to get a well-rounded view of the city's nightlife.